Namaskara everyone, welcome back to my channel Food Vision Hub. Do you guys like fish fry but want a vegetarian version? Today I'm making a raw banana vegetarian fish fry. Same crispy texture, same spicy flavor but 100% vegetarian and no deep frying required. Just simple ingredients, shallow fried on tawa, healthy and crunchy. Come now, let's begin. I've taken a raw banana or a plantain, chopping the ends of the banana and peel the skin of the banana. Divide the banana into 2 equal parts and slice the banana into thin strips as shown. Now to the large mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, followed by 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Add half tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of dhania powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt. Sprinkle some amount of water and mix it until the batter looks like this. Now add the banana strips to the batter, coat the strips evenly, rest it for 5 minutes. Now I have taken suji rava or semolina. Add half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it thoroughly. Take a banana strips and coat the rava or semolina on both the sides evenly. Add 3 tablespoons of an oil on the tawa and place the coated banana strips. Add some more oil on the top of the banana and fry it. Now cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes in the medium flame. And flip it over and cook the another side for 5 minutes. Now our super crunchy, crispy raw banana fry is ready to be served. Pair it with some nice mint chutney. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.